20 things. Camera. Haircut. We'll figure it out. I got myself a camera. This is my first camera, and this has only been possible because of you guys, and thank you so much. Oh my god. So this camera, ये literally कहीं भी available नहीं था. One more thing that I know is that this video is going live on my birthday on Sunday, 22nd. I'm going to unbox this right now, but you know what this video is. This video is 20 things that I learned at 20 and I'm still learning. The first one is, of course, what is meant for you will find you, okay? No matter what anybody says. Live proof, because मुझे ये बोला गया था कि only 25-30 pieces come and they sell out everywhere. मैडम ये आपको नहीं मिलेगा, कहीं आप पूछ के बता दो कौन दे रहा है, वो आपको रिफर्बिश उठा के दे देंगे, ये नहीं आता है मैडम, कोविड के बाद बंद हो गया था मैडम. So what is meant for you will always find you regardless the circumstances, regardless what people say. If you want it, you will get it and it will find you. And if you don't, it was just not your camera. And if that wasn't your camera, maybe a better one was meant for you.
लाइट बड़ी ना खोल लो, तमीज से खोलना.
कितना लाइट वेट है भाई. अरे अभी देख पापा, ऑन हो गया, ऑन हो गया. डेट टाइम जोन सेट करना है. आज क्या है?
18 अक्टूबर.
Oh wow. So the second thing that I learned is that hard work never betrays and it will change literally everything, internal and external. More internal than external. I'm saying this because for things to change externally, like around you, for things to happen for you, it might take a little while, but it will always happen if you continue to show up every day for whatever that is that you're doing. I have experienced this so many times in my life. People change, people start respecting you once they see you working hard, and that is a fact. By the way, I'm getting ready right now to go to the mall because मैंने यार birthday dresses मंगाई 2 and I'm just not satisfied. मतलब ना मेरे दिल में घंटी नहीं बजी, तो वो बजनी चाहिए, और जब तक नहीं बजेगी I will keep going. So let's hope I find something. आप इधर आ जाइए. My cab is here. Golden hour. The third thing that I've learned at 20 is that I am the most indecisive person to ever exist. I've come to this now. Going for a meeting? Yeah, going for a meeting. We are ready for our meetings. I like a skirt in some other store, and I'm in a store where I like a top. So Shambhvi skirt la rahi hai so that I can try it with this top. Since I have literally nothing to do, I thought I will share my fourth learning. I need to learn how to control my emotional responses. Like sometimes I cry very easily. Most of the times when you show your emotional vulnerabilities in front of people who don't really deserve to see it, it's not a good thing. And इसका मतलब ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है that I'm saying to, you know, don't react to situations. I'm just saying where it's not required, it's best to control it. Guys, I think we finally got the outfit. I'm back home. Another thing that I've learned is to compliment people. मतलब sometimes we don't even realize कि how much even a small compliment can make someone's day so much better, and to see that happen, that makes your day so much more better once, because it's simple. If you give out positivity, it's going to come back right at you. Just simply ignore my face. I just came back from college and college में practices चल रही हैं because we're going to IIM Indore next week. But coming back to my next learning, if an opportunity does not exist, create your own. मतलब कुछ भी खुद चल के तुम्हारे पास नहीं आता है. You need to put effort in one or the other domain, or you need to ask, pray to God to give you clarity, and you'll know what to do. I did a horrible job, clearly, but now we wait. The mask is off, and अब मैं जा रही हूँ for a haircut. Let me show you the inspo. This is the inspo. तो इस बार I don't want to go short, which also brings me to a learning that always tell the hair cutter to cut a little longer. If you say you want it short, then you'll always be disappointed because it will be shorter than you expected always. ये हमेशा मेरे साथ होता है, इसलिए this is my learning. Coming to a serious one, we must know that everyone is not the same, and we can't expect them to be. We can't expect people to behave the way we would behave in a situation, because everybody is so different. And this is what I've learned, ki I cannot expect people to act the way I act. And एक और that I want to share before going, I have learned to say no. I'm not there yet, but ऐसे recently भी बहुत सारी situations हुई है जिसमें I would have normally not have had the हिम्मत to say no, but I did that, and it made me really, really happy. So comfortable, and no one seems to hold home me. And this is my new haircut. It's a little, but I like it. How does it look on me? Tell me in the comments, please. Say something nice. Only if it's nice though. Will you be able to forgive me अगर मैं 20 learnings नहीं बताती? But one thing that I know is I have learned to tackle my FOMO. I mean, FOMO is pretty much irrelevant to me at this point. I remember in middle school when I was, तब तक मेरे को बहुत फील होता था that oh my god, वो मेरे बिना hang out कर रहे हैं, या फिर मेरे बिना कोई पार्टी हो रही है, I'm not there, और oh my god, I'm missing out on so much, will they be talking about me? मेरे को अब खुशी मिलती है. Like अब मेरे को जोमो है, joy of missing out. What I am, and what I bring, only I bring. Everybody has their own equations or things to do. If I'm not there, I'm just not meant to be there. And when I will be meant to be there, I will be there. Oh, I also got these new earrings. I haven't tried them. Now, the next thing is that stress is something which never brings you any good. It just makes things worse. Also because it's in your own head. You always have a choice to choose not to be stressed. I think the earrings look good. आजकल मैं Gossip Girl rewatch कर रही हूँ. Then one really important thing that I've also learned is that quality over quantity any day, especially in terms of friendships. I mean, ये time के साथ ही realize होता है कि even two genuine friends over a whole big group of people that you roam around with every day, at the end of the day, who do you want to talk to? Next is, I've learned to stop overthinking every sentence or word that comes out of my mouth. For example, अगर मेरे कुछ बोलने से awkward भी हो गया सब कुछ, ठीक है यार, nobody cares, सब भूल जाएंगे, and it's not that big of a deal. Only when you did not disrespect somebody, उसके बारे में बात नहीं करी मैं. Next thing is that all you ever have to do is start. शुरू करने बिना कुछ नहीं होता, and that is the only way you can also learn and move towards your goals. Be better at something that you want to be better at. All you have to do is start. किसी भी तरीके का start, or even a small step is not as small as you think it is. Another thing that I've learned about myself is that I am absolutely shit at giving comebacks. मतलब I need 3 to 5 business days to come up with a good comeback. And उसके बाद मैं बस सोचती रहती हूँ कि भगवान जी प्लीज़ बस एक और मौका दे दो. Next, what we see in other people is really a reflection of our own selves, or like what is my own insecurity that is causing me to think this way about that person, and then instantly I pointed out in myself and I corrected. If something makes you nervous या फिर जो करने में सबसे ज़्यादा डर लग रहा है but you know it will be good for you if it works out, do that सबसे पहले. You will not regret it 99% of the time, and that is a good number. Now coming to the thing that I'm most proud of learning is that I have learned how to block out the noise and to just focus on myself, irrespective of what people think of me, what people think I should be doing, what I should not be doing. Okay, I think the second last or the last thing that I learned, not everybody is nice and not everybody has the best intentions talking to you, and sometimes that is not the case because सब हमारे जैसे नहीं होते हैं. कभी कभी अपने आप को याद दिलाना जरूरी होता है so that you don't regret it later. And इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि ऐसे एकदम से trust issues हो जाए, but just be cautious that not everybody has the best intentions. Now one last thing that I want to end with, you've done it before, you'll do it again, we'll figure it out because we always do. And yeah, that was it for this video. I really hope you liked it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye. Oh my god, first time on my camera. Wait. Yup. It's my birthday eve. Bye.